So why are we badly drawn? What? You're badly drawn. No, you are. Wait. This is similar to an object toy watch. It's called Total Fiery Island. Whoa. Yeah. I heard, wait. I'm Fiery Jr. I own an island? No. You're Fiery Jr. The original person is Fire. So let's go find Fiery. The how? We're trapped in this place. Because you're needed for an elimination. Yeah, I know. It's been a really long time since the last episode. Because, yes. So, let's see the votes. So, wait. What? One of you is going to be hosting the show from now on. What? That's amazing! And yeah, so let's reveal the votes. So in fourth place we got Fiery Jr. What? Yeah, you got like 8% of the votes, which is really bad. Considering I'm not me. Fourth place we got Lightning. And the person hosting Battle for 1 Trillion is Gelatin with like 71% of those votes, and Cherry's Out with 22% of those votes. You are kidding me. Well, I guess that's about it. Roll credits. We don't even have credits on the show. You're gonna be hosting. Okay, does that mean I can destroy you? No. That does not mean you can destroy me. Yay! Now how can I... Oh, hi guys. Wait, I'm here. I'm at the Pillory Ruins again. Yay! I hope none of those fans are here. Hi Coiny, hi Pin, hi Leafy.
Guys, I recovered somebody.
Alright, looks like we got all 11 people. Now follow me.
Are you just ignoring that bus? Let's go in that. Well, this is giving you almost every of you deja vu, so let me just wipe out your memories about that real quick. There we go. Now today's challenge is Battle Royale in the hotel. So basically, you have to murder everybody, and the last team standing will win.
Team, we should go somewhere really super have any ideas? Semi-really mountain. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's go.
Have you seen what pain the little show has caused me? What pain? Nama has destroyed every single living animation object you have in this life. And first, it's you!
Man, shut your mouth and chicken bone Google.
Turns!
So, what's the rest of our challenge?
I'm done. Alright, you're scared, yeah. Might as well make it light too, so... Can you do it in the dark?
Can the sun explode already?
I was thinking the same thing.